CPT JJ-CPB, Illustrated Anatomical and Procedural Review, 1705, or page 17, part 5, right? We're still studying prefixes, means at the beginning, suffixes at the end, and roots in the middle, right? So now we're going to see a few of these word parts that indicate directions and positions, right? Directions first. The prefix is ab, the meaning is?
Away from.
Away from. And the example would be abduction. Abduction is to conduct or to take somebody away from, take something away from, right? Now the prefix is ad, and what does it mean?
It means toward.
Which means adduction will be take something toward something, not away, but toward, right? Okay, now positions. The word anterior or ventral, what's that?
At or near the front surface of the body.
The front surface of the body, right? So it would be anterior, or anterior nerves would be the nerves at the front, right?
Right.
Posterior or dorsal?
At or near the rear surface of the body.
I think that's back surface of the body. Oh, the rear. Okay,
rear,
the rear.
The same thing.
The rear or back, right?
Right.
At or near the rear or back surface of the body. And we have here dorsal surface of the hand, which means is the back of the hand, right?
Right.
So that's our theory for today. Now let's do a problem. 1, 2, 3. JJ-RVA-263-110. This is a level 1 exercise, which means it's easy. And the title is?
Hysteroscopy. Uterine fibroids.
Uterine fibroids, right? And the problem reads like this.
Surgery, female genital system. Patient undergoes hysteroscopy with excision of uterine fibroids.
Okay, so that's the problem, and that's the procedure, and now we're going to count to 3, so you can give us the answer to this procedure, right? The code, the CPT code for this procedure. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, the answer is?
58561.
58561, right? Did you get that? If you got it, congratulations. If you didn't get it, let's give you some tips. These are the tips. Tip number 1.
Start with hysteroscopy removal.
Okay, go to hysteroscopy for in the index, right? You go to the H for hysteroscopy, and then the subdivision removal, because you're going to remove the fibroids, right? And the second tip.
Uterine fibroids is also uterina myoma.
Myoma.
Is also known as leiomyoma.
Leiomyoma, so leiomyomata, right?
Right.
And for this, you can see
uterine fibroid link
in Wikipedia, which is right here, right? Click on this, and then you will see that they tell you. You can click. Can you click here? And they tell you right here. You see? Uterine fibroids, also known as uterine leiomyomas, right? Okay, so that is our tips. Then remember that the A pluses, we have gathered them together. You should watch the A pluses to understand the problem. Those are the best links. And if you have time and you want to explore a little further, you can go to the other links, right? So you already have the tips, you already have the links, and you know the answer. The answer is 58561. So now we're going to, okay, sorry about, we got a pause here in the video, but we already finished giving you the tips, and you have the answer also, and now we're going to count to 3, so you can pause the video and then give us the path, how we got to the answer, right? So 1, 2, 3. Okay, this is the summary of the whole problem. This is the surgery section of the CPT code book. Is the female genital system or the reproductive system. The patient undergoes hysteroscopy, or looking in his uterus, with excision of uterine fibroids, right? There's only one code, and the keywords for the code are?
Hysteroscopy, excision, uterine fibroids.
Okay, and the code number 1 through the index is found like this.
First you go to index.
Go to the index.
Then you go to hysteroscopy.
Go to the H and find hysteroscopy. It's spelled H-Y-S, okay? Not H-I-S, but H-Y-S. The hystero with a Y is the uterus. And then go to?
Removal.
Removal. And then you're going to see this word that we gave you in the tips with this. Leiomyomata, which means uterine fibroids, right?
Yes.
We show you in the Wikipedia that that's what uterine fibroids are called. So, and you're going to see a code next to it, right? What's the code?
58561.
58561. So we're going to check this code in the tabular. So the code 1 through the tabular is found like this.
585.
You start in the tabular, right?
Sorry, yes.
You go to the tabular.
First you start with the tabular.
And then you go to the number.
Yes, 58561.
And you find there what?
Hysteroscopy.
Hysteroscopy.
Surgical.
Surgical, which is the main definition that is above in the beginning of the group. And then there's a semicolon. And then you get to our code here, right there, right? With removal of leiomata. Where's the code?
This is the
code is at the beginning, right?
Yes.
That's the one we're looking at, right?
Right.
And so now that's why we have the equal sign, which means that this is the code that we need, and the answer is 58561. Okay? So thanks for watching, and don't forget to visit our website, and also
you can subscribe to us in YouTube.
Right.
By clicking here for our new medical coding videos.
Just click on the subscribe button and you will get
up to three videos every day that we make. ICD-10, CPTs, all that's needed to pass the medical coding certification exams.
So don't forget to visit our website and subscribe to our videos. Thank you.
Goodbye.
Bye.